Hello everyone, I am Shita Zonda, a student for Electrical Engineering of Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic Nasik. Today I will discuss about the new topic hydropower plant. So now we will see contents. First introduction, second working, third construction, fourth basic element, fifth classification, sixth advantage and last one is disadvantage. So now introduction. In hydropower plant, the water utilized to move the turbine which in the turn run electric generator. The potential energy of the water stored in the dam converted into the kinetic energy of the moving water in the penstock, and this kinetic energy get converted into electric energy with the help of turbine and generator combination. Hydropower plant was invented by H. F. Roser. Hydropower plant fulfill the 30% of the total energy needs of the world. And this is a inside hydropower plant diagram: reservoir, dam, generator, in-stack control gate, penstock, turbine, transformer, powerhouse, out power lines, and this is outflow. So next, working of hydropower plant. Potential energy is the energy which a substance has the due to its position or state. The water bending a dam has potential energy because of the its position. The water can fill from the position and exerts a force. The position and exerts a drive over a distance and there to work. In a hydroelectric power plant, the force is used to drive a turbine, which in turn drive the electric generator. Because gravity provides the drive which marks the waterfall. The energy storage in the power is called galvanization potential energy. And this is a layout of hydroelectric power plant. So
Hydroelectric power
working of
plant.
start the video working of
In a
hydropower plant.
hydroelectric power plant,
So
electricity is produced from water. A dam is built across a large river to hold back the river water and raise its level to form a reservoir. At the bottom of the dam, there is a floodgate. Water flows through the penstock and rotates the turbine. The flowing water rotates the turbine, which is placed at the end of the penstock. The turbine in turn rotates the shaft that is connected to the coils of a generator. These coils are placed in between strong magnetic poles. The rotating shaft turns the coils. The change in
plant. So next basic element. First, water reservoir. In a reservoir, the water collected from the catchment area is stored behind a dam. Catchment area gate is water from rain and stream. The level of water surface in the reservoir is called as hard water level, and this is the reservoir diagram. And second, dam. The purpose of the dam is to store the water and regulator of the going flow of water. The dam help to store and incoming water. It's also help is increases of the head of the water is ordered to generate a required quantity of the power is necessary that hard and available. And this is a dam, and this is a dam. So spillway excess accumulation of the water of water endangers the stability of the dam construction. Also, it's order to avoid the overflow of water out of the dam, especially during season. Spillway are provided the prevent the rise of water level is dam. Spillway are process which allow the excess water to flow to a storage area away from the dam. So next, gate. A gate is used to regulate or control the flow of water from the dam. And fifth, pressure tunnel. It a facet that carries from water the reservoir to such tank. And this is a gate and this is pressure tunnel. So next, six, surge. A surge tank is small reservoir of tank is which the water level rises for fails due to duration change of pressure. And second, seven, purpose of the surge tank to serve a supply tank to the turbine when the water is the pipe and accelerated during increased load condition, and as the storage tank when the water is decelerating during reduced load conditions. So to reduce to distance between the free water surface in the dam and the turbine, there are by reducing the water hammer effect on penstock, and also protect the upstream tuner from high pressure rise. And this is a surge tank and this is pressure tunnel. So next, penstock. Penstock is closed pipe in the steel of concrete from supplying water under pressure to the turbine. And 9, inlet valve. Wall. Water of the penstock flow up to the turbine through the intake valve. The valve may be closed or opened by regulating the pressure of the following to the turbine. And this is the penstock and this is the inlet valve. So next, hydraulic turbine. Hyd- the hydraulic, hydraulic turbine convert the energy of the water to mechanical energy. The mechanical energy is generated by all the turbine staff is coupled to the staff of the electric generator and performing the work. Turbine blade is discharged through the staff tube. The prime move which are common use for piston wheel, Francis turbine and Capellan turbine. And this is a hydraulic turbine. 11, dark tube. It's connected to outlet of the turbine. It's a low turbine placed above the tailwater level. And next, tailwater level. Tailwater level is the water level after the discharge from the turbine. Discharge water is the sent to the rivers. Thus, the level of the rivers is the tailwater level. And this is the diagram of tailwater level. And last element, electric generator, step up transformer and pylon. The As the water rises through the turbine, it spins the turbine staff, which couples to the electric generator. The generator has a triggering electromagnetic cord is a rotor and stationary part called stator. The rotor creates a magnetic field. The product an electric charge is the state. The charge is the transmitter is electricity. The current coming from the state. The electricity is distributed through power lines, also called as pylon. And this is a electric generator and step up transformer, and this is a pylon. So next, open the slide classification. So, so hydroelectric power plant are usually classified according to available heat of the water. High first high heat power plant heat of the is more than 500 meters. The turbine used in the such plant is Platon wheel. Next, medium heat power plant. Heat of the range from 80 to 500 meters. The turbine used is such plant is Francis turbine. And next, low heat power plant. Heat of power heat of water range from 1.5 to 80 meters. The turbine used is such plants is Kaplan turbine and Francis turbine. So next, advantage of hydropower plant. So first, water is reserve energy source. Maintenance and operating charge is very low. The efficiency of the plant does not change with age, and in addition to power generated, hydroelectric power plant are also used for the food control. And next, water is steam in the hydroelectric power plant can be used domestic water supply. And last is disadvantage. The entailed cost the plant is very high since they are located far away from the load control center. Cost of transmission lines and transmission losses will be more. During through section, the power